Does $100 mean anything to you?
Yeah. $100 probably one rickshaw ride nowadays.
I don't think so. I don't think so. No, not possible.
You can get small things in small prices, but $100 it can go away.
100 rupees mean to you? You think it's valuable anymore? No. What's the max amount of enjoyment you can do with $100? क्या कर सकता है?
Out of 10, I will give it a 6. Like you can't enjoy, but it's satisfying.
Can $100 make you happy?
You get in $10 you get Maggie.
Actually, you don't even get chappal and $100.
I mean, it is valuable if you have more money, you add it on to that. Right?
Yeah. So what can you do with $100? Sannata suddenly.
It took me $116 to come from Andheri to Bandra.
You were taking an auto.
Yeah, I mean $100 it blows away
Like this. If I give you $100 since you can't do much, would you give that 100 rupees to a beggar?
Like 10 or 15 is cool, but $100 to a beggar.
Too much, right?
Yeah, too much.
I give you $100. Would you give the $100 to the beggar? I wouldn't give.
No, I wouldn't either.
You wouldn't?
100 is no, not 100.
मेरे को वैल्यू बहुत है 100 रुपए की. मेरे को 1 रुपए की वैल्यू तो 100 रुपए की वैल्यू नहीं रही है.
Okay, we can share walk in the box with our friends, and that's good enough.
You're a guy, you can buy condoms.
Yeah, we can buy condoms.
Yeah.
We can buy roses for girls.
How can you have roses and condoms in the same sentence? Like,
It should start with a rose and end with a condom.
If we don't have money, then it's okay, fine. But when we have money, $100 is like nothing for us. Like, okay, fine. The person needs something, here you go, $100.
I can rather eat Frankie. I can enjoy. I can do a lot of things in $100.
okay.
Frankie का menu लेकर आ बस.
You can buy packs of cigarettes also in $100. Yeah.
So you're comparing cigarettes and condoms. You will have more fun smoking cigarettes and using the condoms.
I don't know, I'm not telling you like that. I mean, like, yeah.
Mom के लिए flowers ले सकते हैं या card ले सकते हैं. वो तो कोई सोचता है. Would you give $100 to a beggar?
No.
So would you give the $100 to the beggar?
No.
I personally think $100 is a little less. It's valuable
It's a
for
little
sure.
less, but then you can obviously adjust because Mumbai is all about adjusting. People adjust here anytime, however.
That's true. How much do you get pocket money
3,000
for?
a month.
I
For a
get
month.
500 for a month.
That's
500 for a
day.
month?
Yeah.
No, this is fine. Listen, sorry, auntie, uncle. 500
Mama,
rupees.
Papa, पैसे दो.
हाँ, पैसे दो. Mang, you have to take your parents.
Mom and Dad, I'm 16. I need a lot of things in life. Please give me more paisa.
At least
16,000.
हफ्ता का 1,000 रुपए तो मिलना ही चाहिए ना, like especially now. And $100 means she'll only have vada pav. So just imagine uncle auntie, she'll only have 5 vada pavs.
Traveling also, I walk and come every day.
What is this uncle auntie? Like don't be so chindi.